Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup video. Right now I'm getting my witch hazel, and that is to cleanse my face and to tone my face. It's a natural astringent, removes dirt from the pores. So now I'm going in with my primer, and this is the e.l.f. primer. Forgive me for not remembering the other word in the title. I think it's a moisturizing primer. That's probably why I didn't use moisturizer. Ooh, what's going on? Ooh, that's long. Mental note, don't do that no more. All right, so now I'm just doing my eyebrows. Sorry about that, y'all. You try different things and see how it works, and that just was way too long of a transition. Anywho, so I don't know, raise your hand if you are someone that struggles with your brows. I know they're supposed to be sisters and not cousins, or they're supposed to be sisters and not twins. But it's like, it's a hit or miss, me and my brows. So I guess what I'm doing is just trying to make them look as natural as possible. Some people like brown eyebrows. That's not me. I like dark, defined brows. I just always have. So now I'm just, what's the word for it? Carving out my brows. And this, I find that this may be too light of a color, but as you'll see, as the video progresses, I kind of blend it in or tone it down. I hope I do. I'm doing all of my voiceovers in one night, so I kind of forgot. I've had these videos for so long. So I'm going in with a darker, then I'm going in with the lighter concealer, foundation. I don't know what this is. I think that's a foundation stick. Yeah. So I'm just moving that color around because there's, I don't want to say my skin is blotchy, but I got some blemishes. Most people do. But so my face is like different colors. So I'm just trying to create the closest thing to my natural skin tone as possible. And I'm just blending that in with a damp beauty blender. I love this part because this is when you start to see everything come together. And for those who may remember, I am probably 3 years into learning how to do a full face of makeup. Okay, 2 years in. I started in 2020. I don't remember. All right, moving right along. So now I'm just putting on some blush to kind of add some color to those cheeks. Excuse the mess in the background, y'all. I'm trying to get it together. So now I'm going over my Maybelline Fit Me 30. And I am trying to just apply it in the places that need it. And I get tired of that. And I just go ahead and apply it how I normally do with my little sponge thing. So ladies, do you notice that like those things right there, the sponge, is sold in a bag of probably, I don't know, 50 or 75 others, right? But I find myself using this one. Like, what am I trying to do? Use it until it falls apart? Do y'all do that too? Just keep using the same one? It's like, why get a new one that's stiff and you got to break it in when there's nothing wrong with that one? Because you always use that one on a clean face. Anyway, so right now I'm just defining my eyes. And I did most of that off camera. Applying my lashes now. So another thing that I do different from when I first started doing makeup, I will reuse a lash, honey. Say what you want. I will reuse a lash. And sometimes I'll put on different kind of lashes. Okay. Until they fall apart. Um, or just start looking, a certain type of way. So I think I still have the setting powder on. And you'll see me swoop that off in a minute. I hope. Oh, Lord. So now I'm laying down my baby hairs. My natural baby hairs. These braids have been in probably, I don't know, a week, 2 weeks. So I don't really have much baby hair. The longer you keep braids in, the more it starts getting looser and you're able to, yeah. Don't worry, I'm not done with my makeup. I guess I just wanted to lay this just to be laying it. But I still got some. I end up contouring my nose like probably 3 times. And I wasn't contouring it to try to get a European shape. I was contouring it because, as you can see, I put that powder just kind of just went straight across the middle of my face. So it kind of just like highlighted my nose. So I was trying to add the color back to my nose. So it's more of darkening. There we go. I'm trying to darken it back up. I've never done this before. I promise you. I start doing like unorthodox stuff with the cameras on. It's like, why do you wait to try new things when you're doing a video? I don't know. I don't know. So it ends up turning out cute to me, in my opinion. But when I fixed it, it was definitely off camera. So now I had to reapply certain setting powders. But trying to make sure I don't, put it all over the canvas of my face like I did previously. I don't know. I just love a beat face, y'all. Thanks for watching. Oh, we're not done. Okay. Okay, so this was after a work shift. And this is what my makeup looked like at the end of the night. So, do you see? My forehead is just slightly shining. But anytime that you feel like you can record yourself at the end of a shift, you loving your makeup. Let's just be honest. Let's just be clear. So I was feeling this look. I'm probably going to look back on it 6 months from now and not like it. But right now, I'm loving it. Thanks for watching.